Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm doing a review on ArmorAll products, the new products they have, the tire coating and the car wash ceramic products. So we're gonna do a review on it. We're gonna show you an example of using this product on my vehicle. So let's get started. As you can see, my truck haven't been washed in a whole week. We've been having cold weather, icy weather, so wasn't able to wash my truck. So this is the perfect candidate for this product to see how well it's gonna shine my truck up. Normally I keep my truck washed, but the weather been so bad and cold, so haven't been having a chance to do it. You see how dirty my truck is? Let me put my hand on it. It's like 50 degrees today, so with the sun out, so it's warm enough for me to wash my truck. So as you can see, it's got a lot of dirt, mud, and road grime on it. But we're gonna see how this product gonna do. Here we go. I got my bucket, got my water hose in my bucket, and my gloves, cause the water gonna be cold. And we're gonna get to it. We're gonna first start off with the ceramic car wash, and instead of using a foam cannon, we're gonna just use a bucket with water and my gloves. You see that kind of dirt, I've been using them, and the little bucket I got. We're gonna use this ceramic car wash, the extreme ceramic car wash. So we're gonna see how well it shine my truck up. So be right back. We'll turn the water on and pour some ceramic car wash in this bucket, and we're gonna get started. All right, well, we're gonna pour some of the ceramic in the bucket right now. The car wash, and put the top back on, and now we're gonna run the water. As you see it foam up real good. That's what I like seeing. When it foam up real good and it's easy to foam up, meaning the suds and the soap is really good, and it attack the dirt on your vehicle. So as you see, I'm washing the truck out, washing the little dirt and stuff off it, and getting ready to hand wash it with my little sponge. So I'm getting the truck watered down real good to get the surface prep. So when I put the soap on it, it'll get the remaining of the dirt off. But it's always good to wash your car first before you put any chemicals on your car. Get that surface dirt off first to let the other grime and dirt, the harder grime and dirt, come off a little bit easier. All right. So gonna start washing the vehicle, and as you see, the ceramic soap is already bringing the shine back to my truck. I think it's coming out really good. Let me see how it do on the wheels. It's foaming up really good. Bring the shine back to my wheels, to my rims, so they looking good also. So far this ceramic car wash from ArmorAll is doing a very good job. But we're gonna dry the truck off in a minute to let y'all see how it work. And this is the truck dried off, and it did a really good job of getting it back in order, bringing the shine back. I need a paint job, but until I get a paint job, I'm gonna just keep my truck looking clean, fresh, so clean. But the ceramic car wash from ArmorAll did a very good job of bringing the shine back to my truck. So that's a really good thing, really good product that ArmorAll had came out with. It's real easy to use, and it protect your paint. So we're gonna get ready to do the ceramic tire coating, the ArmorAll ceramic tire coating. And it should have a really good shine. It's supposed to repel dust, dirt, and other mud off of the tire for a long period of time. And I have used this before, and this is a really good product. These ceramic products from ArmorAll are really good products. So giving you a good look of it. And we're gonna get started on spraying this tire down so you can get a good view of how much area and how much shine you get out of it. So with this product, only thing you do is spray it on the tire. You don't have to do no rubbing. It coat the tire, so you don't want to rub it, because you'll rub the product off of the tire. You just want to make sure you have a dry tire and spray it on and let it sit for at least 5 minutes for the product to soak and bond to your tire. So as you see, just spraying one pass on the tire, how much shine you have and the protection you have of this tire from dirt, grime, and all other type things. And it brought my tire back to life, the ceramic tire coating with the ceramic car wash, and it got my truck looking A1. So this is what I think about the product. I use these products on other cars, and it did a very good job. Sometimes I use the car wash in a canning spray with my pressure washer. It do a very good job that way also. And these two products from ArmorAll are really good products. They're not too expensive, but they get the job done. They're very good products. The ceramic ArmorAll, the whole lineup is a very good, extreme protection. And I recommend this product. And you can see for yourself what the product do to your vehicles. So rate this product from 1 to 10, and I give this product a 9. It's not the best product out there, but it's up there. It's like a 9 to me. 9 out of 10. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And thanks for watching my video.